A fourth option is to work for our spouse's organization. Not all organizations offer this chance, but some have a variety of positions for their employees' spouses. In most cases, these positions are neither a continuation of our previous career nor a desirable new career option, but it still has many advantages. It is a job that is designated for us as expat spouses. That, on its own, is a huge advantage, and it is definitely better than not working at all. The employer takes care of our work permit and other logistic issues. They know and even expect us to be the ones who take care of the kids. The language is not a problem, and we can even commute to work with our spouse. As a position for our time abroad, it is a very comfortable position. And yet, what should we consider before taking this offer? Most of the considerations on the list are already taken care of by the employer, but there is one important consideration left. We have to consider the future career implications, specifically when we'll return to our home country. If this position is somehow related to your career and helps maintain it, that's perfect. In most cases, though, it has nothing to do with our career, and people choose it just because it is a comfortable solution. But taking a job that is completely unrelated to our field will make it difficult for us to resume our career back home if we wish to do so. Chances are, you will not work for this employer in any capacity in your home country. That may lead to sort of a trap for your family. Positions that require a family to move abroad pay more, and you get used to a certain standard of living while abroad. When you come back to your home country, your spouse will earn less money and you will need to find your way back to the job market after years of missing relevant experience. These circumstances, for some families, may result in a financial problem that can only be solved by additional international positions. While we're abroad, the employer offers an expat spouse position, and so the cycle continues. Again, this is not relevant for everyone. I'm not trying to scare you. As it is a strong consideration for some of us, I just wanted to emphasize its existence so that each person will be able to make the best choice for themselves. Okay, let's continue.